Hi friends, today we are going to see topic on standard and comparators. Standard are defined as a physical or material precision of a unit. There are three different types of standard. First, line standard, end standard, and last, wavelength standard. So, what is line standard? When length being measured is expressed as a distance between two parallel lines, the standard is known as a line standard. For example, steel rule, measuring tape, etc. Here the unit of length is measured in yards or meter. Line standards are quick and easy to use, but they are not accurate. Characteristics of line standard. Scale should be accurately encoded. Second, a scale is quick and easy to use over a wide range. Thirdly, the scale markings are not subjected to wear. Fourth, scale are subjected to parallax error. Calibration of line standard. Calibration of line standard is determined by the comparison with a master scale in an optical comparator. Second, while comparing the unknown scale with the master or standard scale, it is possible to obtain 8 sets of observation corresponding to 8 possible arrangements of one scale with respect to the other. Now end standard. When line being measured is expressed as a distance between two parallel and flat surfaces, the standard is known as end standard. For example, slip gauges, ends of micrometer anvils, end bars, measuring jaws of vernier caliper, etc. Characteristics of end standard. First, end standard are highly accurate. Secondly, dimensional tolerance as small as 0.05 mm can be obtained. Third, they are not subjected to parallax error. Fourthly, they are commonly used in standard laboratories. Now, what is wavelength standard? Wavelength standard is a natural and invariable unit of length. Wavelength standard works on the principle based on the phenomenon of interference of light waves. Krypton 86 is the most suitable source of radiation of constant wavelength. Fourth, it is accepted as international wavelength standard because of its high degree of accuracy. Now, advantages of wavelength standard. Wavelength standard is easily available in all standard laboratories and industries. Second, wavelength standard can be used for making comparative measurement of much higher accuracy. Third, wavelength standard can be easily transferred to other standard known as material standard, line standard and end standard. Now, here is the difference between line standard, end standard and wavelength standard. These are some points of comparative points such as definition, cost of standard, need of perseveration, time required for measurement, accuracy, method of set up of measurement, cost of inspection, errors, effect of changing environment condition on accuracy of measurement. Now, slip gauges or Jones gauges. Slip gauges are used as standard of measurement for checking the accuracy of measuring instruments such as micrometer, vernier caliper, snap gauges, inductor, etc. Slip gauges are referred as the precision gauge blocks. They can be used as first, length standard, second, height standard for setting up sign bars for angular measurement, third, reference standard for accurate measuring machine. Now, sets of slip gauges. Slip gauges are supplied in different sets of suitable size so that number of combination may be obtained for building up required length or height. Commonly used sets are M105, M87, M45 pieces respectively. Here is the set of M105. It has range in mm from 1.01 to 1.49. Its required steps are 0.01. Number of spaces required 49. Here 0.50 to 24.50 is step in mm are 0.5. Number of pieces required is 49. So this is ranges, steps and number of spaces required. Here is the set of M87. The range is 1.001 to 1.009, steps in mm 0.001, number of pieces required 9. In second step 1.01 to 1.49, 0.01, number of species 49, and range 0.5 to 9.5, steps required 0.5, and number of species required are 19. In fourth step 10 to 19, in steps in mm 10, number of species required 9, and this total becomes 87, so it is called a set M87. This is set of M45. Range mm. In range in mm, steps in mm, number of species required, etc. This is slip gauges accessories. Accessories used with slip gauges are name of accessories and functions. Measuring jaws. Measuring jaws are always supplied in pairs and available in two types, used for internal and external measurement. Scraping and center point. Scraping point and center point are used in combination with holder and slip gauges, which forms a very accurate device for marking purpose. Holders. Holders are always in suitable designs and different range for rigidity holding any combination of slip gauges. Base. Base has robust construction. It is designed in such a way that maximum possible longest size holder can be rigid held. Suitable provision is made for attachment of holder which the base is positioned normally or perpendicular to the bringing surface of base. Thank you.